Nice to meet you. My name is Claudine Kiefer. I'm hotel keeper and the founder of ZenBooking.com. ZenBooking.com is the first worldwide website for stylish hotels and top-end travelers. No fees, no commission, and direct booking. I imagine ZenBooking such as your promotional tool. I think our success or yours cannot take place by questioning our common interests. By using our tools, you become higher visibility in your country and all over the world. You recover your real price and your schedule, and your internet reputation and your reviews become a sense of truth. So go on ZenBooking, affiliate now. I'm waiting for you. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.